Ever wondered what men really notice when they first see you? It's not always what you'd expect, but trust me, it's something you'll want to know. Today, I'm revealing 5 things that men instantly notice about you the moment you meet. And trust me, these details will blow your mind. You won't believe what made the list. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what grabs their attention and how to leave a lasting impression, whether you're meeting him for the first time or just trying to understand what's going through his mind. We all want to make a great first impression, right? And while you might think it's all about how you look, but there's more beneath the surface that plays a bigger role than you'd think. Men may not always say it, but they notice certain things within the first few seconds of meeting you. So let's dive into the 5 things that stand out the most. 1. Your energy and vibe. First impressions are often about energy. Men pick up on whether you're warm, confident, or even a little aloof in the first few moments, and that vibe can tell them a lot more than you think. From the moment you meet, the energy you give off is one of the first things men notice. Are you someone who radiates warmth and confidence, or do you come across as a little closed off or distracted? Whether you realize it or not, men are highly sensitive to the energy you project. Your energy speaks volumes about how comfortable you are with yourself and how open you are to others. It's not just about words or body language. It's that unspoken, invisible force that draws people in or pushes them away. If you're feeling nervous or unsure, it can sometimes create a vibe that's hard to connect with. On the flip side, if you exude positive energy and show confidence, that can be incredibly magnetic. Think about it. Have you ever met someone whose energy made you feel instantly at ease? Or maybe someone whose vibe was a bit off and you couldn't quite put your finger on it? Men pick up on this almost immediately. They may not consciously acknowledge it, but your energy plays a major role in how they perceive you. It's like an invisible signal that tells them whether you're approachable or not. Are you someone who gives off positive energy, or do you seem a bit closed off? Drop a comment below. Do you think your energy speaks louder than your words? You may not realize it, but your energy is something men instantly connect with, whether they admit it or not. 2. Your smile and facial expressions. The first thing men notice is your smile. A genuine smile is contagious and instantly makes you appear approachable, confident, and happy to be there. But it's not just about showing teeth. It's about your eyes. A real smile lights up your whole face and makes you seem warm and inviting. When your smile is genuine, it shows through your eyes, and that's what makes it powerful. It's more than just physical. It's a sign of how comfortable you are in the moment. Men notice when your smile reaches your eyes and when it's not just a quick, forced expression. A warm, genuine smile can break the ice in any conversation and create a sense of ease that instantly makes you more approachable. Pro tip: practice smiling in the mirror to make it feel natural. It's not about having perfect teeth or a huge grin, but about relaxing your face and letting your smile be a reflection of your inner confidence. And remember, a relaxed face is key. No one wants to feel like you're forcing it. A tense or fake smile can make you seem uncomfortable, and men can pick up on that immediately. A real smile, paired with open, relaxed facial expressions, will not only make you seem more approachable, but also more genuine and confident. So next time you're meeting someone new, remember, let your smile speak for you. 3. Your confidence and posture. Next up is your confidence, and it's not just about what you say. Men notice your posture and how you carry yourself. Standing tall with your shoulders back screams confidence, while slouching can make you seem unsure or closed off. Confidence isn't just about having the right words. It's about how you present yourself to the world. How you stand, how you hold your head, and even how you move can instantly convey your sense of self-assurance. When you stand tall, shoulders back, chest open, it radiates a message of self-respect and confidence. It's like saying, "I know my worth," without having to say a word. On the flip side, when you slouch or shrink into yourself, it can give the impression that you're insecure or uncomfortable, and that can be off-putting to anyone, including men. Now, I know it might not always be easy to feel confident, especially in new situations, but even the way you carry yourself can help create that sense of self-assurance. Here's a pro tip. Before walking into a room, take a deep breath, roll your shoulders back, and own the space. Confidence is magnetic. When you walk into a room with good posture, you not only feel better, but you also appear more approachable and capable. It's a small adjustment that can make a huge difference in how people perceive you, especially men. Try this next time you're meeting someone new. Stand tall, make eye contact, and let your presence speak for itself. You might be surprised at how much more confident and in control you feel. 4. Your style and grooming. Men notice your style and grooming. It's not about wearing the most expensive clothes. It's about looking put together and intentional. Your outfit and grooming send a message about how much you value yourself. It's those little details that speak volumes. Whether you're wearing a casual outfit or something more formal, men can instantly tell if you've put thought into how you present yourself. Your style doesn't have to break the bank, but it should reflect who you are. A well-fitted outfit, clean clothes, and neat hair can instantly elevate your presence and show that you take care of yourself. When you look well-groomed, you send a message that you respect yourself, and that kind of self-respect is always attractive. Pro tip: wear clothes that fit well, keep your hair neat, and don't forget the little details like clean nails and fresh breath. It all adds up. These seemingly small things are the finishing touches that leave a lasting impression. Men notice when you've put effort into your appearance, even if it's something as simple as choosing a style that complements your body or making sure your clothes are wrinkle-free. Being well-groomed doesn't mean you need to be overly polished. It just means putting in a little extra effort to look your best. So, next time you're getting ready, take a moment to focus on the little details. It could make all the difference in how you're perceived. 5. The way you speak. It's not just what you say, but how you say it. Men notice your tone, your pace, and the confidence in your voice. Your voice says a lot about how comfortable you are in your own skin. Whether you're articulate, confident, or maybe a little shy, your voice can make an instant impression without you even realizing it. Think about it. Have you ever had a conversation with someone whose voice was calming and easy to listen to? Or maybe someone who spoke too quickly, making it hard to follow along? Men pick up on these things right away. A calm and confident voice instantly draws people in, while a nervous or shaky tone can make you seem uncertain or disengaged. Confidence in your voice is incredibly powerful. It's one of the easiest ways to command attention. Speaking clearly, at a steady pace, and with a confident tone shows that you're sure of yourself and what you're saying. It's one of the most underrated aspects of making a great first impression. Do you speak confidently or cautiously? Comment below if you think your voice matters just as much as your looks. Next time you're having a conversation, pay attention to how you speak. It's not just about the words, it's about the way you deliver them. A calm and confident voice can make all the difference, so next time, pay attention to how you're speaking. It's a major key to capturing attention. Which of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Want more insights like this? Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos designed to help you attract the right attention. Thanks for watching.